Changing your email on Webull is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings menu. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In Account Settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see a field to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you wish to use and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Verify your new email. After entering the new email, you will likely receive a verification email. Check your inbox for the verification email from Webull and follow the instructions to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Webull will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Webull's customer support for assistance.